Hi guys, welcome to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kraken account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to the default browser and search Kraken account login. Once you make search, you'll find sign in on the top of a search list under Kraken. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, which includes your email or your username and your password, and simply sign in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.